let us start video part 4, Mathemagic class 5. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. In this video, we will discuss about common multiples. Before going to common multiple, let us quick revise what are multiples. For example, 3. Okay, so we have seen in video number 2 and 3 that 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. These are the multiples of 3. Similarly, there may be multiple of 5. What are the multiples? 10, 15, 20, 25. So multiples come with the skip counting. We skip the number starting from the same number and skipping by the same number. So whatever the numbers comes are the multiple of given numbers. But what you can see here, 15 is multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 5. So 15 is present in both 3 and 5. So 15 is called as common multiple. Okay. Common multiple. Okay, so 15 is common multiple of 3 and 5. So any multiple which is present in more than one number, multiples of more than one number is called as common multiples. Okay, so let us see how do we represent it. Common multiples. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle, and if it is multiple of 5, write in blue circle. Okay, we need to write multiples of 3 in red circle and 5 in blue circles. Okay, so common 6 is multiple of 3, 9 is multiple of 3, 10 is multiple of 5, 15. 15 is multiple of both. So we will write here in common circle. Okay, in this purple portion. 12, 5, 10, 15, 20. So other multiples will be 18, 21, and one multiple will be 30 here. Okay, there will be more multiples in this way, and one multiple will be 30. Similarly, 25 and one multiple 30. So what you can see, this 30 is available here, so it will be come in common portion only. Okay, so common multiples are the multiples which is multiple of more than 2 numbers. Okay, so let us move next. Some numbers are multiple of 3 and 5, like we have seen 15, 30, 45. So we can say them as a common to both. Okay, number are common to both 3 and 5. Think if you write multiple common to 3 and 5 in purple part, then they still in both. You can see if I write any number in this purple part, it is in red circle as well as in blue circle. Okay, which is smallest among common multiples? So 15 was smallest among common multiples. Repeat the game using number 2 and 7. Okay, we have to do it for 2 and 7. So what are the multiples of 2? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Let us take multiples of 7. 14, 21, 28, and so on. So what you can see, 14 is common in both. Okay, so 14 is common multiple of 2 and 7, or you can say smallest common multiple. Thereafter, all the multiple of this will be common multiple of 2 and 7. That is 28, 42. These are the number which is multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 7. So common multiple. Okay. Write the common multiples of 2 and 7. So what will be the common multiples 2 of 7? Smallest is 14 and its multiple will be common multiples 28, 42. Okay, so likewise this you can complete. Repeat the game putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circle. Now we have three numbers. We can have common multiples of three numbers. So let us start with 4. 4 2s are 8, 16. We have 12. 4 3s are 12 and 12 is multiple of 6 also. So 12 will come here. Okay, 12 will be common to 4 and 6. So multiples of this will be common to 4 and 6. What are that? 24 will be multiple of 4 and 6. 36 will be multiple of 4 and 6. And what are other multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24 is here already. 30, 36 is already here. 42. Okay. So now see the multiples of 5. 5, 10. 10 cannot be multiple of 4 and 6. 15 cannot be multiple of 4 and 6. 20. 20 is multiple of 4 and 5 both. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay. So multiples of this will be common multiple between 4 and 5. 20, 40, 60, 80 and all that. And you can see 30. You know, 30 will be here because 30 is multiple of 6 also and 5 also. So 30 will come in this common circle. Then 30, 60, okay. So 60 will what happened to 60? 60 is common to 4 and 5. 60 is common to 5 and 6. So 60 is common to all three. So 60 will come in between. Okay. 60 is common multiple of all these three numbers. So all other multiple of this 60 is common multiple of all three numbers. 60, 120, 180. Okay. 25, 35, 45. These are multiples of 5. 20, 40 is common multiple of 4 and 5. 30 common multiple of 6 and 5. 60, 120, 180 is common multiple of all these three. 12, 24, 36 are the common multiple of 4 and 6. So in this way we can understand common multiples. Now see the questions. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in green part? In green part, common multiples of this, I have written 30 only. Common multiple of 4 and 6. 4 and 6, 12, 24, 36, 4, 6 and 5, 60, 120, 180. Likewise this. What is the smallest common multiple of 4, 5, 6 and 5? What is smallest among this? Is 60. Okay, so in this way we can complete our answers. Common multiples of 5 and 6 in green part 30, 60. Common multiple of 4 and 6 in orange part 12, 24, 36. Common multiple of 4, 5 and 6, smallest is 60. Okay. More tamarind seeds. A mini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of rectangle. There are 12 seeds. She is arranging these 12 seeds in a rectangular form using 12 seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? You can see what she has done. 2 breadth and this length. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2s are 20. This is example of 20 grid. Okay, if I have 12, so how many possible rectangles I can make? Look at this. 1 into 12. These are factors of 12. 1 into 12. So I can make rectangles by arranging 12, all 12 sheets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this rectangle will be formed. What will be the other factor? 2 into 6. 2 into 6. So this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we will draw with the scale, straight line will be there, then straight rectangle will be there. So in this way, I can make 2 into 6. Then 3 into 4. Now I will take 3 lines and 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this kind of rectangle can be formed. Now 4 into 3. I will change this line. Now 4 line will be this and 3 line will be this. 5 is not the factor of 12. 6 into 2. Now I will take it and make reverse like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and other is 12 into 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this type of rectangle. So these are the possible rectangles. So in this way we can make factors of a number. 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 3, 12, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 1, 12. So this will be length and this will be width of rectangle. So these are the rectangle is possible rectangles with 12 seats. Similarly, if there are 15 seats, so let us see. 1 into 15 simply. So 1 will be width, 15 will be length. Now 2 is not the factor of 15. 3. 3, 5 is the 15. 3 will be length, 5 will be breadth of the rectangle. 4 is not the factor of, now 5. 5 into 3. This time 5 will be length, 3 will be breadth. So these are the possible rectangles can be formed with the 15 seats. What if there are 20 seats? Always start with 1. 1 into 20, 20. So 1 length, 20 breadth. Now 2 is factor of that, 2 into 10. 3 is not the factor of 20. 4 is the factor of 20. 4 into 5. 5 is also factor of 20. 5 into 4. 6 is not the factor. 7 is not the factor. 8 is not. 9 is not. 10. 10 into 2. And 20 into 1. So we can make all these possible rectangles by considering this length, this breadth. Okay, these many of the rectangles we can form with the factors of 12 seats, 15 seats, 20 seats. So what you can see, I have started with 1. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not factor, so left. And after some time, this factors repeat itself. Okay. Here it repeats after here. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 is not factor, 4, 5. Now here after repeated. Okay. So in this way we can arrange these seats in a rectangular form. So in the grid rectangle made of 20 boxes, so we have done this. If width of the box is 2, length will be 10 centimeter, because 2 into 10, 20. So 2 is the length, width, so 10 is the length of the rectangle, 10. Okay, color rectangle and made 20 boxes in some other way. So the factors I have shown you in this, you can make arrange 20 rectangular in this ways. So make there and send me the picture. How many ways you can color 20 boxes? I have told you all the possible ways. Bangles. There are 18 bangles on the rod. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangle left. Okay. She can put bangles in group of 2, in group of 3, in group of 6, in group of 9 and in group of 18 without any bangle left. How many groups will she have if she makes group of 1 bangles? Okay, so there are total 18 bangles are there. Okay, out of 18 bangle, look at the factors. 1 into 18, she can make group of 1 bangle, so there will be 18 groups. Group of 2 bangles, so there will be 9 group. 9 to the 18. Group of 3 bangles, 3 6 ja 18. So 6 groups. Okay. 4 is not the factor of 18. 5 is not the factor of 18. 6. 6 3 ja 18. Bangle, 6 bangle at a time, so 3 group. 7 is not the factor of 18. 9, 8 is not the factor. 9. 9 to the 18. If she will make a group of 2 bangles, there will be a group of 9 bangles, there will be 2 groups. Okay, so these are the possible ways of making groups. So if she will make a group of 1 bangle each, so there will be 18 groups. Okay, so number of bangles, different group we can make. So like 24 we can see similar way what I told you, 1 into 24. If I will make group of 1 bangle, there will be 24 group. Now 2 into 12 to the 24. So if I make group of 2 bangles, there will be 12 groups. 3 into 8, 8 3 is 24. So if I will make group of 3 bangles, there will be 8 groups. 4 into 6. If I make group of 4 bangles, there will be 6 group. 7 is not the factor of 24. 8 into 3. If I make group of 8 bangles, there will be 3 group. If I will make group of 12 bangles, there will be two groups. If I make group of 24 bangles, there will be one group. Okay, so these are the possible ways of grouping. 1 2 3 4 8 12 and 24. Similarly, 5, if I make group of one bangle, there will be 5 group. If I will make a group of 5 bangles, there will be one group, only these two. So in this way you can, 20 we have already done, so other you can do the similar way I have done. So this ends this topic. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.